Good morning. I decided to vlog today. But first I got a shower, so I'm gonna go do that. Here's me walking to the shower, but really I have to come back and turn that camera off in a second. Alrighty. What? That was not the color I was expecting. It's blue. I'm not trying to flex on you like that. So it's lots of hours later. I was gonna just not do this video because I was feeling pretty poop. But then I decided let's do my makeup and drink this beermosa and hang out. I don't know how crazy this looks. I was trying to get a nice white spotlight, be professional and all that. But I accidentally grabbed a blue one. Look at how professional I am. So this battery is like, says it's gonna die. Why is everything such a hater? Now that I have this blue light, I kind of like it, but I might grab another one, make it more colorful. Let's see what we got. I don't know if it's sicker now or... Alright, first order of business.
Gotta put my contact in. Yeah, you.
These are from lens.me. Solotica. I don't know. I never know if I'm saying it right, but I feel like there's not very many options on how to say it anyways. Wash these puppers. Grab a towel off the floor. Perfect. Very smart of me. I'm only gonna put one in because that's how I do. So many kitten hairs in here. These contacts are the Solotica Hydrocore Quartzo. Usually I get Topazio, and I have some of those bitches. But I decided to try out the Quartzo this time. And the Topazio is more of like a bright blue, and this is like a really light, almost colorless kind of blue. It shows up really well when you wear just the one contact. It's very good for that. Okay, I'm checking for fluffs, and there's probably fluffs, but we're gonna just like try to apply in the eye. Oh, I can't tell. It's in my eye. But I definitely feel like there's some floofs. Alright, pouring a little Sarah Daniels on him. Sarah Daniel? Whatever the frick her name is. I've rearranged my lighting a little bit, so I don't know if that changed on you. Sorry about that. I wanna listen to music, so I'm back.
Flexing on you.
There's like nasty ear stuff on these. I got my contact in from lens.me. They did send them to me, but I've been using them since 2016. And they weren't sending them to me then. They're good freaking things, man. I'm not playing you. Gotta do my eyebrows. Since my dip brow's super bright out, I'm gonna use this too. Use some eyeshadow with it. Okay, let's play some music. That's too sad. I was listening to that outside before. Oh, it knows I was sad because it's playing my sad stuff. What are all these random songs? It's my music, but like, I don't listen to that anymore. Yeah, I'm spinning. Alright, okay. I've been drinking my beermosa while I was putting in that contact. It freaking took me like 4 tries. I put it in my eye like 4 times, I mean. It took me more than 4 tries, but I put it in my eye like 4 times and I was like, something feels wrong in there. I don't know if this is even clean. It's not clean at all. I use this nasty little brush. I have all these tiny little zits on my face, and I should have
none.
Because I freaking did Accutane for them, so what you doing on my face, bitches? I don't know if it's because I'm stressed, if it's because my body's freaking out. I don't know what's going on with me, but I'm mad about it. At least they're really small. My past self would be mad at me being mad about it, because my acne used to be freaking... Okay, now I'm getting so much of this on my freaking face. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get it off, or just put my makeup on top of it. I'll probably just put my makeup on top of it, because that's what I do. Freaking, I was gone for so many hours doing nothing. I was really trying to film this video earlier and get more stuff done. I tried to sew, and I've been trying to sew for like the past 4 days. Every day there's something that causes me to not be able to do it. That's for like everything. I'm mad about it. What's up with that, universe? Why are you doing that to me? My face is getting so red because it's getting so warm in here. I make them super freaking high up. Reach for the stars eyebrows. Yeah, I should have gotten all of this freaking gel off my face first, but it's too late now. Done basically nothing, but I'm lazy. I want them to be super duper tall today. Super tall. These take so long. Angry eyebrows. Oh my god, it's peeling so much from this gel. I'm literally just like doing a horizontal line, a little northwest, northeast on them. I feel like my eyeshadow will stick better over this. Maybe I should just go to that. Let's try her out.
If I'm a bitch, then I'm the baddest bitch. Kid, bitch. Set flashing light, boy, I flex, bitch. I pop a Glock, boy, I pop shit.
Okay, I'm just gonna use the darkest freaking color in there and do this. Now I'm using a very taupey shade. It's not so dark on the inside here, but it's still mixed with all that other eyeshadow because I didn't even bother. Oop. It was kind of fricked, but it's fine. Oh, that's so fricked. They look crazy, but that's how they're gonna look today. Today? It's like already freaking tonight. Tonight! Let's party on the rooftop, top of the world. Time for my eyeballs. I don't know what I'm doing with them today, but we're gonna find out together. Okie dokie. Oh, I almost freaking fell back into the bathtub. That would have been pretty funny though, honestly. Oh, there's an eyelash on my eye. No, don't leave me. I need to make a wish. I wished real hard. I'm just putting some concealer on my eyelids. If my eyebrows are super uneven, just ignore that, okay? They are uneven. I don't even know the meaning of even. My face is freaking asymmetric as fuck. Set this with this light pink over here. Matches the Fenty. My face is so red. Alright, bitch, chill out. We're just gonna put some stuff on my face, see how it goes. Using some orangey bish in my crease from the Master Palette by Mario. Getting a little sweat stash in a bish. I need to take some pictures for my Patreon really badly. But I recently went on a trip, a little vacation to the Caribbean. It was my first time being anywhere tropical. Wow, my voice is just like not speaking. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I feel like I just said tropical. I definitely did. It was my first time going anywhere tropical. And it was like the nicest place you could ever go. Like, it was so beautiful. The water was freaking insane. But what else was insane was I was taking some antibiotics while I was out there. And apparently, while you're doing that, and if you're in the hot sun, you can get sun poisoning, a sun rash. But it was crazy. It was literally my entire body, head to toe, my face, my feet, my hands were so bad. Ew, that was so bad. And all my arms and my legs and my back and my front and every part of me literally didn't give no frick. She went all over. Mr. Worldwide was my rash. It's like almost gone, but I don't know if you can tell right now, but I'm still so splotchy. And I want it to go away, and it won't go away. And I want to take pictures for my Instagram and my Patreon and freaking all those things, but like I'm covered in all this splotchiness. And I hate it, and it makes me feel gross. And more of a struggle is that I don't have a bedroom right now. I'm just freaking on my mattress in my family's living room. That's why I'm filming in the bathroom right now. I'm a non-nude cam model, if you ain't know. But it's just really hard for me to stream and get content because I have nowhere to do it. And I need to make some shmoney so I can move out and get my own place. But like, it's really hard to do my job. I'm in a sticky situation right now. My brain, oh, don't even get me started on my brain right now. It's just doing its brain thing. Wow, stupid. Why did I put this brush so far away? Okay, I got it. These angles. I want this to be a little bit darker in my crease. Do I? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna go back to this Master Palette by Mario and use this matte dark brown. Need some more beermosa. It's lifting my mood. Lifting my spirits with some spirits. Oh, that was a lot. This is like not blended at all. I don't know how good this makeup's gonna be, honestly. With all this beermosa happening in me. Going back to that orange bish to like try to blend it out a bit. It doesn't want to. Don't do that to me. Okay, it's not working. We're just gonna let her not be super blended. It's okay, it's not like I'm going anywhere, just all over the internet. It makes it way harder when I'm doing those bounces. Shut up with your bounce, little bish. Ooh, very different from the other side. That's cool. Wow. Not my best work. Whatever, man. We're just leaving it like that. I don't even know if you guys can even see what's going on right now, honestly, because this lighting is frippin' wild. I'm gonna use some glitter. Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter eyeliner in distortion. There we go. Glitter. Now I try to make it look the same. I love this freaking glitter eyeliner stuff, but she kind of burns for some reason. I feel like you shouldn't be doing that. As far as I know, it hasn't caused any long-term damage, so I'll keep using it. Interesting how different this has turned out. Whoa, who do you think you are going up there? I want to put it in my inner corner too. Doing like full winged eyeliner right now seems really crazy, so I'm just gonna do some smokiness over here. Natural Matte palette by Too Faced. I'm gonna mix these two dark shades. And I'm just gonna friggin' smudge her up. Oh, I'm spinning so much. Oh, I'm still spinning. And now, because I need something there for my eyelashes to hopefully not be so obvious. Yeah, I'm dropping things. I'm dropping my brushes. I'm gonna just use this and do a quick freaking line. Not winging her out or anything, but bring it into the inner corner still because I feel like I need that. Oh, she's starting to wing anyways. She chose to wing anyways, okay. Freaking beermosa me up. I don't use foundation usually, like ever, but I do put concealer all over my entire face, so here I am doing that. Also, this concealer is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, because I don't know why, because it's good. It's a big packaging for concealer, so it's good for my face full. My face is so red right now, so it's gonna be like super obvious where it is. Getting it in my glitter. Face equals concealed. I need to set this bitch. I'm gonna just use this little Kat Von D one. Frick, I was squinting my face too much. Probably creasing. I decreased myself and then I powdered myself. Now I'm gonna bronze and contour. I don't know. Mixture of both. Putting on way too much, by the way, in case you're wondering. That doesn't look like way too much yet. I'm slacking over here. I don't know why I'm putting this all on my forehead. Wow, my forehead's kind of sweaty. That's gross. I contour that mansion so people stop mistaking me for James Charles. Put a bunch on the tip of my schnob and then a bunch around my lips so it kind of looks like I have a mustache. I don't do it for that reason. I do it for the reason that it makes my lips look like they're sticking out of my face more, I guess. They look bigger and plumper. I'm using the Anastasia contour palette, by the way, in light medium or something. I don't know. This is frick. Putting that under my eyes. Oh, I look so scary when I'm looking in the mirror like this. Now time for way too much blush. Let's do it. Blush a bit up. Blush a bit up. Blush, 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 blush up. Just rubs it in there so hard. I'm gonna put it on my schnoz too. There we go. Highlighting the bish a little bit. No, can't do that. And a tiny bit on the tip. Put my schnoz on the tippity tip top. I want to put some under my eyebrows. What time is it? Almost 6 p.m. Perfect. Break it up, sis. I almost choked on that. Oh, damn. I feel like I was hunching so hard there. Alright, the camera says it's gonna die now. I'm gonna freaking put on mascara and eyelashes. And then I'll be back. Wait, I decided I wanna do a little slipping. Do some little like fake eyelashes drawn. Do a little line connected to my tiny little wing that I did over here. Does that make sense? Make it look like my bottom lash line is a little bit lower than it is. I like when my eyes are super like pointing up and cat eye like, but I also like when my eyes are super big looking to keep them in the cat eye shape though. If I add a little bit here, pull down my tear duct a little bit, it makes my eyes still get the shape I want them to be in, but also look lots bigger. Like that. Okay, now let's do some little tiny eyelash. Well, that one fricked up really bad. These all look really fricked. Maybe not my best decision. It's fine. We're just working with it now. I look fricked. I'm gonna add some like white in my waterline because that makes my eyes look even bigger. This isn't like fully white. It's kind of got a yellow tint, but it's so difficult. I'm doing it in the mirror over here. See soon. I finished the rest of my face and I got changed. Sorry I didn't tell you about it. But now we put the weave on. I'm gonna take this hair tie and do this the easiest way I know how. Nice little low pony. Okay, I don't know if I can even show you guys this. I'll just be right back with the wig. Weave on-ish. I don't know how good it's on. I got this freaking little tiara the other day. So I decided I want to be a princess right now. How do I put this bitch on? Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, oh. Probably for a child's head. Not that my head's very big, but don't know if it's child size. Alrighty. I'm a princess now. A very, very warm princess. I think I'm gonna go try to take some pictures. Thanks for watching. Sorry about my distractions and lack of excitement. Today I just had a full big lack of excitement. But I tried and I did something, even if this video never gets posted. Okay, thanks, bye.